beavers make this?
No.
Should I do a front flip?
No.
Look at this. This is actually pretty well. This has been eroding for like how long to do this?
A long time.
I'm gonna show everybody the way.
You want to go down there and look at the... Go down there and look at it.
Can you?
You can. You can do whatever you want.
Well, look at the jump. Do you want to do that? Oh, this. We'll use this log to climb up. But
Yeah.
it's a cartoon to you. Some kind of cartoony. Oh, hey, maybe. Still pretty slick.
And we'll eventually be over there and you can see it from there. I would imagine. I'm imagining.
I want to shoot through one of those slides.
Those tiny little...
Homestead. This is actually. Oh, well, I think we went. We want to take a look at that.
No.
I know, like the grill. This is like a little bridge right here. I was thinking, do you want to go right? I guess. Yeah, this is exactly where we're supposed to be. I don't know how that happened, but what? Like we totally went off. I was like, we went over here, guys, and then like we didn't do that.
No. No, but we did at the same time.
We did this or something. But because we did this, guys.
So we're doing... Did we already do
You
that?
want to go left or right, basically? We're gonna do. This is the
So
trailing
this
point.
is oh, and this is
So we can go left or right.
Homestead. This
Yeah.
one is the one we're supposed to go on.
Yeah, well, this is just a bridge because you can go left or right on Homestead.
Oh.
So this is like if you want to. This is the end. I guess we'll be doing this either way to join over. So it's literally just left or right. I say left since they're right.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
No, that sounds good. I can't make a decision.
There you have it, guys. Left it is.
It's the best side anyway. Direction.
Really?
The best direction.
Derecha or
I always
izquierda?
pick my left hand instead of my right hand. I don't know
Well,
why.
then you're left-handed.
That's why my left arm's tattooed in my